Guys, through the kindness of Lloydie here in Farmers, he fixed my phone.
Namatay sa'yo.
Then Sheila. Lloydie, thank you so much
Yeah.
I really appreciate your kindness. Mitch, thank you So guys, please visit Lloydie and Mitch here in Farmers, 4th floor. So this is their calling card. And I'll just show you the brand name. Then Sheila, cellphone and accessories. So he will give you a nice price and good service every day. 724. See that? Thank you so much.